In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most popular theories in astronomy right now. The leading astrophysicists are debating over the possibility that an alien civilization could be behind the interstellar object, 3-1A TLAS. So what's the latest on this story? What did they find out? And is it really an alien artifact? Let's find out. Welcome to our channel, your one station for all the news from space. Right now, there are many mysteries in our universe that even science can't explain. But every day, scientists get closer and closer to finding the answers to the existence of our universe. In today's video, we are going to talk about one such mystery that scientists are currently trying to solve. We have been getting signals from space that nobody can explain, but some scientists believe that these signals are actually messages left behind by aliens or extraterrestrial objects. These messages could be the key to solving some of the biggest mysteries in the universe. Could there be life out there beyond Earth? And if so, what form might it take? Scientists have been debating the possibility that a strange interstellar object named 3I Atlas is an alien spacecraft. It's not the first time people have speculated about the nature of unusual space rocks, but this time there's something different. This time it's a little more concrete and backed up by some pretty solid evidence. Before we move forward with the video, we want to ask you to please subscribe to our channel. If you really enjoy the content, then supporting us by subscribing will be a great help. Now let's move forward with the video. Interstellar. Object 3I ATLAS was first sighted in 2019 and has since been observed by several ground-based telescopes as well as the Akasky spacecraft. Because 3I is covered in ice, which reflects light very efficiently, astronomers were able to study its path around the Sun and determine that it likely originated from the Alpha Centauri system. That's the closest neighboring star system to our own. While some have dismissed 3I ATLAS as just another comet, others argue that its unusual shape and composition suggests that it may be something else entirely, something artificial. In fact, a growing number of experts are beginning to think that 3I Atlas could be an alien spacecraft of some kind. In recent years, scientists have discovered several interstellar objects that appear to be completely natural. The 3I Atlas seems to be different. It's not like anything else we've ever seen before. For example, according to astronomer Alberto Caballero, it is moving too fast to be a typical comet. In addition, its shape is highly elongated, which makes it look more like a cigar than the usual roundish ball. This could indicate that it was intentionally designed to travel through space at high speeds. Moreover, its surface is covered in ice, which would make it difficult for any spacecraft to land on. However, some scientists believe that this could be a sign that 3I ATLAS is not a spaceship at all, but rather a probe sent by aliens to study our solar system. There are many who think that this is the best explanation for the object's strange appearance and behavior. After all, if it is an alien spacecraft, it would need to be made of materials that can withstand the extreme temperatures and pressures of interstellar space. Ice would be a logical choice because it is both strong and efficient at reflecting sunlight. This would also explain why the object appears to be covered in ice. It's not actually frozen water, but rather a protective coating designed to shield the spacecraft from the harsh environment of outer space. In addition to its unusual shape and composition, 3I ATLAS is also moving in a very peculiar way. It's not following a regular elliptical orbit around the Sun like most other comets. Instead, its trajectory is highly erratic, which suggests that it could be under the control of an intelligent being. Furthermore, 3I Atlas seems to be accelerating as it approaches the Sun. This could mean that it's powered by some sort of engine, such as ion thrusters or solar sails. This would be further evidence that it's a spacecraft rather than a natural object. Finally, there is the possibility that 3I ATLAS is simply a piece of debris left behind by aliens who were exploring our solar system. Perhaps it's a discarded spaceship or a probe that malfunctioned and went off course. Whatever the case, it's clear that this object is unlike anything we've seen before, and its discovery could change our understanding of the universe forever. The idea that 3I Atlas could be an alien artifact is exciting. But it's important to remember that there is no concrete evidence to support this theory. It's just speculation at this point. However, that hasn't stopped experts from debating the possibility. Some have argued that 3I Atlas could be a type of spacecraft called a light sail. This is basically a large, thin sheet of material that can be used to accelerate a spacecraft by harnessing the power of sunlight. If 3I Atlas is a light sail, then it could be either a natural phenomenon or an artificial object. However, most experts agree that it's more likely that it's a man-made object if it is a light sail at all. Another popular theory is that 3I Atlas could be a type of interstellar probe. This would mean that it was deliberately sent to our solar system by an alien civilization to study it. Proponents of this theory point to the fact that 3I Atlas appears to be accelerating as it approaches the Sun, suggesting that it could be powered by some sort of engine. Additionally, its unusual shape and composition make it look more like a machine than a natural object. Of course, there is always the possibility that 3I Atlas is simply a piece of debris left behind by aliens who were exploring our solar system. Perhaps it's a discarded spacecraft or a probe that malfunctioned and went off course. Whatever the case, it's clear that this object is unlike anything we've seen before, and its discovery could change our understanding of the universe forever. As more data comes in, scientists are beginning to narrow down the possibilities. They hope that eventually they will be able to say for sure what 3I Atlas is and whether or not it is an alien artifact. Only time will tell what they find out. But one thing is certain: this mysterious interstellar object has captured the imaginations of people all over the world. Whether or not it turns out to be an alien artifact, scientists are excited to be learning more about our universe thanks to 3I Atlas. Who knows what other mysteries they will solve next? This interstellar object has been making headlines around the world, and for good reason. It is unlike anything we have ever seen before, and it could be the key to unlocking some of the deepest questions humans have ever asked. Is there life out there beyond Earth? What is the universe made of? And are we alone in the cosmos? 3I Atlas may not be able to answer all of these questions, but it's a start. By studying this mysterious object, we are gaining knowledge that will help us better understand our place in the universe. And who knows what other discoveries await us. As technology improves, we will be able to learn more about 3I Atlas and its possible connection to alien civilizations. In the meantime, we can marvel at the fact that something so strange and mysterious could exist in our own solar system. Who knows what other wonders are out there waiting to be discovered? So what do you guys think about this new discovery? Does it excite you to see what other things are out there in the universe? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and thank you for watching.